Veteran Zimbabwean politician Chenamo Chimutengwe, widely known as Chen Chimutengwe, has passed away, leaving significant legacy in the country's political history. Sanapenda mashoko aiwa wanoona kuti aiwa the war veteran politician anozivikanwa aiwa anonzi Chen ushaika utisiya anotipa subscribe or like on the bell icon tipina panapa muno mudon kinzi former ZANU-PF national political commoner Service Kasukwere expressed his deep shock and paid tribute to Chimutengwe, saying, Chenamo chedu chazorora Chimutengwe. He kept his soul in the conquered. You played your part in the struggle and development of our country. Rest in peace, Mofo Chiweshe was Chen R.I.P. Rest in peace, Mozokoro. Chimutengwe, born in 1946, began his political journey at the young age of 14 in Highfield, Harare, 1957. He quickly rose through the ranks, becoming the Secretary for Information and Publicity in ZANU-PF Youth League, 1963. In 1964, he received military training in Ghana, further strengthening his commitment to Zimbabwe's liberation movement. After the country's independence, Chimutengwe took on the role of ZANU-PF's provincial chairperson for Marshall and Central in 1986, a position he held for an impressive 17 years. His contributions to Zimbabwe's political landscape and his dedication to national development will be remembered by many. Tomashoko anomuda panapa aiwa vachirwadziwa nekupasa ono kwaita aiwa general kana politician Chenamo Chimutengwe vachiti aiwa akanga aiti influential aiwa mubato ravo. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mudze mafunguro enyu, sono subscribe or like, sono turn on the bell icon.